Hello students, चलिए today we are going to start a new topic, matrix. This is a very important topic for class 10 ICSE board as well as class 12th. If you are a new subscriber on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's start. What is matrix? A matrix is a ordered rectangular array of numbers. These numbers are called elements. ठीक है, of the matrix. We denotes matrix by capital letter. देखिए ये मैट्रिक्स को हमने रिप्रेजेंट किया किससे? कैपिटल ए से. ठीक है. And elements are enclosed by brackets. This bracket and also this bracket. Some books will show you this bracket and some books will show you this bracket. So according to me, I will use this bracket. Okay, so matrix is denoted by this bracket. This is called column. This is called column. This is column first and this is column second. ठीक है. देखिए बहुत से बच्चे जो होते हैं कॉलम और रो में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट इज कॉलम. दिस इज column vertically. Okay, vertically position of first and vertically position of second is called column. This is the first column and this is the second column. If we talk about horizontal, so this is row first, this is row first, this is row second and this is row third. Okay, when we will use -2 and 5, this is called first row, and when we will use 3 and 7, that is called second row. If we use 0 and 6, then that is called third row. Okay, now we discuss about the order of matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m into n. Okay, and read as m by n matrix. You can see that this is column and this is row. It is denoted by the order is denoted by m into n. Now first you can see here is one column and second column. Here is one column and second column, and here is first row, second row and third row. ठीक है, तो मैट्रिक्स will be denoted by m into n. m into n. This is denoted row and it is denoted column. You should keep in your mind. Okay, so this is what? A as 3 into 2. Okay, here this is the first column, this is the second column, this is a third column, this is a first row, this is a second row, this is a third row. So B as 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Now third is C is equal to this. So this is first column, this is second column and this is third column, and here row is, this is first row and this is second row. So we can write m into n. I have already told you. So this is row and this is column. So here row is 2, there is 1, this is a 1 and this is a second. So we can write this 2 into 3, and here is column 3. So we can write m is row and n is column. So we can write 2 into 3. Let's discuss types of matrix. Let's discuss about the types of matrix. These are types of matrix. The first is column matrix. ठीक है, this is first column matrix. Only one column. You can see here is only one column. Here is only one column and row are thirds, first, second, third. so column is 1, so we can m into n, right? So n is column, so order इसका क्या हो जाएगा, what will be the order of this matrix? This is 3 into 1. Okay, now row matrix, it has only one row, okay, you can see this is only one row and there are 3 columns, first, second and third, so we can write this 1 into 3. Square matrix, the number of columns will be equal to number of row. In this matrix the number of column will be equal to number of rows, so we can see it is first column, it is a first column, this is a second column and this is a third column, and we can see that this is a first row, this is a second row and this is a third row. So we can see that the number of column is equal to number of rows, so we can write m into n is like 3 into 3. This matrix is called square matrix. Now what? Unit matrix. Each diagonal elements, this is called diagonal, okay. Each diagonal has elements of 1, or non-diagonals, rest of elements are called non-diagonal. These diagonals have the value of 0, you can see, so this is called unit matrix and it is denoted by I. Now we discuss about zero matrix. We can see the all elements of this matrix is 0, so we can say it is a zero matrix, okay. Now last diagonal matrix. The elements of diagonal is something, but all elements are 0. You can see this, that diagonal has a value of like 3, -1 and 2, or rest of elements has a value of 0, so it is called diagonal matrix. Okay students, so I told you what is a matrix and what are types of matrix. Let's discuss some question to understand the basic and okay. Let's solve a question. Construct a 2 into 3 matrix whose elements in the ith row and ith column are given by the IAJ equal to 3i minus j upon 2. Here देखिए, here is a standard form of matrix is given. This is column, this is matrix, column second, and this is column third. You should keep in your mind. And this is row 1, this is row 2 and this is row 3. Okay, अब मान लेते हैं if aij represent the element in the ith row and j column. Then what? We will find a11. Okay, so the standard form is the 3i minus j upon 2. Okay, so first of all we will find we will put I is equal to 1, so I 3 into 1 and j is also 1, upon 2. So that is 1. Okay, now second we have to find second element of the row, that is 3 into 2. आपका रो का सेकेंड एलिमेंट है, तो यहाँ पे आई की वैल्यू हम क्या रखेंगे, 2 रखेंगे, और जे की वैल्यू 1 ही रखेंगे, क्योंकि ये आपका कॉलम सेकेंड का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है. ओके, सो वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 1/5/2. इस कॉलम सेकंड का है तो यहाँ पे 2 रख देंगे. Here we will put 1. We are going to find the A12. So here this is a first row. So I is equal to 1 होगा, एंड यहाँ पे सेकेंड कॉलम है, सो यहाँ पे 2 हो जाएगा. सो क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज 1/2. That is 1/2. Now we have to find A13. अब देखिए यहाँ पर रो क्या है, 1 ही है, फर्स्ट रो है, और कॉलम क्या है आपका थर्ड रो है, तो क्या रहेगा 3 into फर्स्ट रो, और कॉलम आपका क्या है, थर्ड है, by 2. So that is 0. Okay, now we will find A21. So 3i minus j by 2. अब here देखिए, you can see here is a second row. Okay, here is a second row and column is 1. ठीक है, column is 1 and row is second. So we put what, 3 into 2 minus 1/2. So that is 5/2. Okay, now we will find A, that is 3. You can see here is row, here is row second, here is row second, and column is also second. So we can put I is equal to 2 and j equal to 2 upon 2. That is 4/2. That is 2. Now we have to find A23. So A23 is 3i minus j by 2. You can see that here is column third and row is second. Column is third and row is second. So we can put 3 into 2 and column is third, that is 3/2. So that is 6 minus 3/2, that is 3/2. ठीक, now we have to construct a matrix. So matrix is m into n. I have already told you. So यहीं पे हम बना देते हैं. ठीक है, so this is form of like this. A, this you can see A11. So this is 1. A2, that is 1/2. Okay, and 3 is 0. Okay, now A21, 5/2. Okay, and A22, this is 2, and this is 3/2. This is your answer. ठीक है, this is a answer. We can write A is equal to this. Okay, now solve second question. This is the last question. इफ फाइंड एक्स वाई जेड एंड डब्ल्यू इफ ये मैट्रिक्स इस मैट्रिक्स के इक्वल है, तो आपको ठीक, तो बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ क्वालिटी, by the definition of quality of matrix we have, so this equal to this, so x minus y is equal to -1, and like this 2x minus y is equal to 0, and this equal to this, so 2x plus z equal to 5, and this equal to this 3z plus w is equal to 13. This is equation first, this is equation second, this is equation third, this is equation fourth. So first of all we will use first and second equation. So x minus y is equal to -1, so 2x minus y equal to 0. We will subtract minus plus minus, so this is cancel out, so minus x equal to -1, so x equal to 1. We put the value of x in equation first, so we will get x minus y is equal to -1, so here minus y equal to -1, so y is equal to 2, so we have x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So we put the value of y in we put the value of x in equation third. Okay, so what, 2x plus z is equal to 5, so 2 into 1 plus z equal to 5, so z equal to 2. Now we put the value of z in equation 4. Now we put the value of z in equation 4, so what we will get, oh, that is 3. 5 minus 2 is, that is 3, so 3z plus w is equal to 13, so z equal to 3 into 3 plus w is equal to 13, so w is equal to 9, 30 minus 9, so that is 4. So we have x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z equal to 3, and w is equal to 4. This is your answer. Write this question. This is a very important question for you and your exam. We will meet in next lecture of matrix. If you are new subscriber of my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.